It produced an insane 50 megaton blast, around 3,000 times more powerful than the bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. The Tsar bomb was tested on the 30th of October 1961, 11 a.m. Moscow time. It exploded around 2.5 miles above the ground, producing a mushroom cloud more than 37 miles high. The flash of the detonation was seen some 630 miles away. The resulting damage was equally massive. Severny, an uninhabited village 34 miles away from the blast, was leveled, and buildings more than 100 miles away were reportedly damaged. In addition, it was estimated that heat from the blast would have caused third-degree burns up to 62 miles away.